Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. My new subscribers, I love you as well. So guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can generate your YouTube thumbnail with the CapCut app. Yes, CapCut app is so amazing as well. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can generate your YouTube thumbnail with the CapCut app. So trust me, you do not want to skip this video. You do not want to skip this video. Okay guys, let's dive right into it. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment down below after this video. Okay, let's dive right into it.
So guys, for you to do this, tap on your CapCut app, tap on new project, and then you import the image, the background color image you already imported from the net, you downloaded from the net. You tap on it. For me, this is the color I want to use. Then once you tap on it, you go over to the options you have down below. You tap on aspect ratio, and then you switch over to 16:9, which is the YouTube thumbnail. Then you tap on the image, and then you resize it. Ensure it's fusing the aspect ratio given to you. Then the next thing you have to do is to tap on overlay from the options you have down below, and then you import your photo, whichever photo you want to use. For me, this is the photo I want to use. Then I added it. Now the next thing to do is to take off the background. So I'm going to scroll through the options I have down below and tap on auto removal. Do not worry, it will basically remove the background. Though it's on pro, just follow my process. Now this image is on this end. I do not like the way it is. I want my hand to go towards the left if I am right. So I'm going to tap on the image, scroll through the options I have down below, tap on transform, as you can see. Then I'm going to tap on mirror. Now mirror basically twitches it, okay, as you can see. So now this is the position I want it to be on. Then I'm basically going to resize. I'm going to zoom in and resize my image for it to fit in however I want it till I get my desired result. So that's basically what you are going to be doing. After that, the next thing you're going to do is to scroll through the options you have down below. You go back, scroll through the options you have down below, and then you tap on text. Yes, so I'm going to be making the thumbnail for this tutorial. Sorry, it's text. Then I'm going to be making the thumbnail for this tutorial. Then I'm going to tap on YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to switch over from fonts to styles. Then I'm going to pick whichever style, whichever font effect I want. I'm going to be using any effect, but I'm going to be using the elegant font. Now this is what I have, but then I want it to have like a background. Let the letters be showing on the background. So I'm going to come over to styles, and I'm going to pick on this effect. Yes, this one. So yeah, this is what I am going to use. Pick whichever color that suits you, whichever color that suits your desired result, just whatever you want. Then I went ahead to duplicate. Then I had to edit this to get thumbnail. Yes, so I edited it to get thumbnail, which is what you are going to do as well, or whichever thumbnail you're trying to create, just input with whatever your topic is. So I added thumbnail, and then I still switched it from black to white because I didn't want it to be black and black. So just give it whatever desired result, whatever thing you want, that's what you're just going to give to it. Now you basically resize and add edits, do what you want to do. Okay, yeah, so now the next thing to do is for me to add my CapCut logo. Yeah, that's the next thing. So I'm going to go back after resizing after editing my text. I'm going to go back and I'm going to tap on stickers from the options I'm giving down below, as you can see showing on your screen. Now once I tap on stickers, I'm going to tap on this plus sign. Then I'm going to import this my CapCut logo, and then I'm just going to resize it, just give it the basic edits I want. Then I notice this is too bold, so I just have to resize it. All you need to do is to basically give it the edits you want to your taste, not to your taste and it will now be unpleasant. Something pleasing should be your taste. Okay, So now for me, I noticed this thumbnail has a white background and the CapCut is in white background, and I do not really like it, so I went ahead to switch the colors from the thumbnail on the white background. I switched it to black, as you can see showing on the screen. Then I switched the YouTube to white, so it was looking like this. Then I had to resize. Then this CapCut logo, I just switched it a bit for it to look a bit fine, I guess. Yeah, so I switched it a bit, and this was what I had. Now the next thing I went ahead to do was to tap on my background color, the color I downloaded from the net. As you can see, I tapped on it. As you can see showing on the screen, I tapped on it. Then I scrolled through the options I had down below and I tapped on adjust. Yeah, so then I now played around with the brightness effect. As I reduced the brightness, the color became darker, but as I increased it, it became lighter, but I preferred the darker, so I reduced the brightness effect. I came over to sharpened. I played with the sharpen effect, and then I came over to the favorite tool I love using, which is the vignette. Yes, I love using this tool so much. Then I went ahead and I increased it. Yeah, so that's basically what I did. Then I went ahead to take. Now the next thing I needed to edit was my photo, which I added. So I had to go back and I tapped on overlay so I would be able to edit my photo. So I still went over to adjust options from the options I had down below, and then I played around with the brightness effects, increasing and decreasing till I got my desired result, which is basically what you are going to be doing. Yeah, so I played around with the brightness effects. What you just need to do is to play around with the effects till you get your desired result. I played around with the contrast effect. Yeah, I played around with the sharpening effect as well. Yeah, so I also tried playing around with the vignette effect, but it kind of made this photo have these darker edges, making it look quite different from my original background. So I just placed it on 0 because I didn't want it to look different. Yeah, so I just ticked it. I was okay with this. As you can see, it's quite different, but it's not really obvious. Yeah, so I see it's showing, it's making it look different if you look closely. So I had to go back and I tapped on the vignette and I put it on 0. I didn't want it to look different, so it will not look as if I just added the photo. So I now went over to my photo, which I downloaded from the net, and then I went over to the vignette, the adjust option, which I had down below, and I tapped on the vignette effect because for me personally, I love the vignette effect, so I increased it. Now this is the effect this vignette gave me, and I so much love it. So the next thing you have to do is to take a screenshot of your photo and you go ahead to your gallery and crop. That is how you basically generate your YouTube thumbnail with your CapCut.